everyone, and welcome to my Calico Critter video. So here we have a Calico Critter Cozy Cottage. I just opened it. Now let's take a look at the front. It has some opening doors, and it has a little flower decoration and a window on the side and a window there. Also on this side has a window and then a window, and then the inside looks like this. The door just flinged open, and then the front again. Oh, and on the roof it has this. So I want to start with opening this bag. So, some Calico Critter stuff, they come with critters. So, what the Cozy Cottage came with, it came with a little bunny rabbit, and her name is Freya. And if you haven't never seen these have ever seen these critters before, they're articulated in their arms. They can take their clothes off, and they can twist their head. Slippery little bunny. And yeah, and they have little bushy tails, and they're all articulated in their legs. I'm not saying stuff right today. So, we're going to set her right there. And there's some accessories that come with them. So, the stuff that wasn't in the bag, because the bag was full. There's a little chair. I wonder what's that for. And a ladder. There will be a second floor soon. And this will be how to get up to the second floor. And then we have the floor, and that will be the second floor. We're going to attach it to the house. And so on here is the wooden floor to put upstairs. And if you flip it over, that could be a front yard or a backyard. So let's just leave it like this for now. We'll change it later. And here is a little kitchen table, and it has a little decoration on it. I wonder if this is for kitchen. Oh, now this is the bed. It doesn't look very comfy now because it's hard. So we're just going to see if there's anything to make it be more comfortable. So, and now we have some kitchen stuff. We have a sink, and it's very, what's the word? No. Okay, it has a sink, and, yeah, so I forgot the word. And this is the drain, and it's so cool. Like, it's like a real house, and then it has a pipe for the sink. That's so creative. And then it has a no glass oven, and it has some lines on the bottom. It's just like a real oven, but ovens don't have glass. So, and ooh, there's another chair to put on the other side of the kitchen table. And here we have a little table. And we can put that wherever we want in the Cozy Cottage, because you can set up however you want for Calico Critters. So, and here we have a pan we can put on top of here. And then we found something we've been looking for. A mattress for the bed. This is a little pillow part, and you lay it on the headrest. You kind of lean it up against there. And we're not going to set it up like that for now, because we have a blanket, and it has these little things on here that we need to attach to the mattress. So the blanket kind of hugs the mattress, so you want to kind of tuck it in there. It's kind of hard. So kind of hard to put on. There we go. And then want all of that pillow to stick out. And there, we made our bed. And now we have some, it's omelet with ketchup on it. We're just gonna put that right there. And a little fork for your omelet, but where would you put your omelet? But I'm thinking we're gonna have a plate. And we do. And it has a little circle on the bottom of it to stay up. And then it looks like a cloud. And then don't have any more accessories. So we're just going to set all of these things up that need to be attached and stuff. So I'm going to put this fork by the drain, and then the omelet will go right here. And then the pan, of course, it will go right here. And I'm going to put the plate right in the center of the dinner table. Now, let's move all this stuff. We're not setting up yet. Well, we will after I do this. So, let's look inside. So, first, when we go inside, we're going to have a little chair here. And we want some space behind it because if someone comes in, they have room to walk. Alright, and now we will put our table here. Scoot it over, and a plate in the center. And then the chair on the other side of the dinner table. And now we're going to put the sink very carefully. Oh, and it has this little line here. Just put it right there. And this pan always falls off the feet. So just be aware of that. And then here's a little play area. And we're going to put the second floor up. And we're not going to do it grassy now. So there's little lines right here, and you want to slide it in right here. And that big that big white part, you don't want that being not seen, because that's where something's going to go. So, and then by this little play area, there's little things on the ladder. You want to attach it to the second floor. And there. And now we have our little table. And it's going to go in this spot right here. And then our bed will go upstairs. So this will be free as bedroom. So, there we go. And now, whoa, do not fall over. Now we have our cozy cottage. So everyone, thank you for watching. I will set up another Calico Critter video. So thank you.